Akosia Sewa Mami Ayase Ewo Premier Assembly Hall and Yakwa Yino. Mehusa Mami be I interview with Slim Basta or Sani or no also some live TikTok conversations be Obomidin say mene Daddy Lumba and of course na yakwa abusuafo bi hu yen abusuafo na GBB na obi DBB ma obi ne kosise
ebien nansefo na ye mama yakosia se wase omu gigi sika osi okay sa na tie dia media ye sen oka che ma Lumba any bra bia na ye frɛ ne Hammer na na eto Lumba to bottom di sika na mama yakosia se wa okwa 10 minutes later no baaye ene wo be ka kire mama yakos Daddy Lumba say Mabusiafo say awale bia ni minu mienu ntem nti so obogi usika na eyeye
oh nti sasem we no kre
oh bra Daddy Lumba bisa maami akosia se wa se o maami awu yemfanse de no yenjaye do enya meyere no ya separate ma wale ameni obaate ana ameni oba wo ho wo de mensa na edai wo de nsana breme by court or whatever it is so ya be ne den maami akosia se wa se ya beji sika ensefo no me maami ba we kunu we yire we say ya jiji sika nti ye ni sika fabra Daddy Lumba ne na dan for your friend Hammer one ne kwa yie na se no Daddy Lumba ne na dan for your friend Hammer one ne kwa yie na se no Daddy Lumba ne na dan for your friend Hammer one ne kwa yie na se no Daddy Lumba ne na dan for your friend Hammer
asem no ya but me ko kan we ka so ni nua no na dan for no ntine bia o ka se
Lumba uye nsem no ekoso bebre no ma Frida de nsem bi aba batu dwache mi eti asese Abraham anakuza se wa ne ma minimpo eto fom na Lumba ene Hammer ekoko pie mu ewo honom Hammer de oye Hammer time ewo pie FM no ekoko pie mu ewo ma anakuza se wa ne ma ane yase ene de Lumba ekoko busa ma anakuza se wa sem sese ye no aba ne mom no ede enhyehyeye ene ho no yese ho na akuja se waka kire Daddy Lumba say abusuafo ni se ensew no both a man and man ensew ni nyina no sika sei na omo jeje edi aya ni to obi afa ni de enno na Lumba yi sika ene ye pede ma Frida de ba bonti information de ba bonti no na Daddy Lumba yi sika ede ma Hammer se ofanko mama na akuja se wanti Hammer na bi sika no ekoma ma akuja se wa enti wo no ma na mama akuja se wa ba back say na busuafo se omo nji sika no because oni Lumba no aware bia ni omo yedebe omo ntamu biam ti no oba ye ni bi dia fo betima be but se wo ba ba ye amamre ene amanye asew de abusua no anyi ntu ensem a ma Frida de babontin ye ukọ media no so odu se dey e wo honom na no na Hammer enso babontin aba be yi no wa be kle ni self ensem a ba Frida ana Frida fiye so wa de babontin de no kwa biasa ene dey enim do Lumba mene no ene kwa yie ni de na mom no sei ene si wayi na se yenkwa yengongotie Hammer emra
ensem ni mama mom yenka no krewom papa na mugu no ho fi no bone be no waye mo ain't be a cansem if you so be on personal life he came on this earth adwo obeye enyomto no so dey as we speak no can say Hammer in the next 100 years and he told me this I think 2 weeks before I will be free na the kind of say Hammer baby yeah you should na me fie kra me te kra no you be a filling station with a junction so kram say be 3 months in kram minimum say be a filling station this is a man who can be home for months Abraham step out. This is a man you're provoking for so many years. Too many times. People talk about him. With my shadow also just to protect his image. Also, didn't free the papa. Let them talk. Many comfort quad issue in buy. Also, Hannah, or the bring say, hey, Uniana, you know UTV so. Also, me far from us, yeah, dear me, yeah. Also, they are talking about you anyhow because they don't know you. So leave them to talk. This is a Kanu Mokasa. This is a man we are talking about. This is a man in our history of music. When it comes to artists, young artists, our feature nobody has done that. All the hip life guys, most of them were feature one more platform, one more different levels. And artists bakwa or catch them and say, this guy, it is so much sorry, or Chame Kwame, or Kansempa from Chame Kwame. And this was about last year, October. Or Kansempa from Samini home. Also, yeah, a new compilation with these guys. This is the man we are talking about. The cost the way, what I know is Sedipata from especially Bema Tofama, a Yabusian phone a year. To the cost, hey. Personally, both women are here coming some Ninano. Ubia deserve a proper treat. Why? Because Ubia played a role, a major role in his life. All of them, the two of them. The Aye didn't there. Maybe I'm there. Both of them have played a major role in the man's life. Also, anything can do this level. Also, can do be a respect man. Ye pe baby mo be a kama. Ni CC ni echi kama. And then left and right. And they say. They say your way yansa and away from Yasi because okay, I won't be a year. I don't say a year. 200 years ago, your way yansa no ako. Kawa to a canati one and now for swa. Omrasona, DBC Viadi, which is him. It's sad. So, na mekai say daddy Motias no somewhere if you check akra minkai years no more than 5 years ago and near din komo that no a compilation be videos of the songs ni nyina no DVD never out na oton ye no and I'm because daddy na kra untanye video ana wo twen den ya so nyabutre so he had a plan. But on say we are no obinima the chain was some. But the plan was knowing the situation, they will go through. And let them enjoy the songs. At appropriate time, the videos will follow. And then so in a different market. This is a man we are talking about. Very smart guy. And to the course, yo say Daddy Koye show. Me what I know in his contract. I'm saying this because and come here, now they are painting a picture. But I say, you just can't hear me. Who said no crowd because I know. Say, when it comes to charges, when it comes to artist, you see A-list artist. Lumba has been there from day one till so be free. Lumba Jessica, sa boys Nisika no kaka me inform a new home contract. I know that some of them come out and fake their face just for people to know that what Jessica can see. Made them Charles Kojufusu contract Skawajino. I know. So it's bigger than all the A artists. A-list. Our more Ghana, almost woman top. Lumba was there. And he take home money. And son and dancers. Pepe Obeda, Jobe D. So do Brody baby, Nemabe baby. Lumba will choose to come a night before the show. We are go back to the crew. The end client. It was I got done the baby thing. This is the person we are talking about.
Let's have a share say. I can't call me. You dear, my free that can no crack. And the hammer, I cannot, and I no crack. And some aqua will be on share like it. for so enya bi ehwe aha life in Ghana TV so subscribe na we be notification be no all ya the video too ma what me notification na hwe bi ede ama me dan dey be trend on social media so mo hudonti yenam all the media platform so any information ede brom ya boy raba bia kwakọ hwe bi ne e trend de mu odede mu ohwam ene pressure kwa wo so hwe bia e beti so ede amontie moram ne kwankọ hwe de etwaguo o social media so ya ba ya che ya adwen no comment section ho
Ebusiafo me cheche mo nyina mom onim asem we maami akoso ase wasem we afa a lot from her. He has been stealing our joy, our happiness, but mami ka se me chiro maami we're making the own mistakes. The first mistake is causing her a lot. She's continued to make the same mistakes. The first mistake and say one respected ne aware in shesheye. First mistake is failing to perform her own duty as a wife. Abrofo obi etu abagana because nikunu enye adwuma wo Ghana na say they just decide to go live in Africa. Mami akosia se wa pese o kire yense ni refi na amamre wakotena buruchi wa graduate inti sesede oba emum na esese o hye nhyehyeye manikunu inti one Daddy Luma said kuntuni nyini ya Daddy Luma pese oko Ghana no mami akosia pa kire se eni na chidomfo. Some Ghanaians, you see, this is how we allow the older generation to influence us in a bad way. Mami akosia se wa enyo oba netisika ko ware obema netisika ko ware oba. Mami akosia se wa did not perform or reserve that marital way no responsibility no into when follow on it that the Luma Ghana even continuously for 2 years. First 2 years na Daddy Luma eba Ghana, and this is a course train families every kuroso ba ku yare a hwe some abrofo a bi mo minimum o ba ku timi yare ma ba ku because of treatment na so mo ko even Israel so mo ko Jerusalem o mo timi ko tena ho na me no ka say madam for pa ni sister etu aba Ghana o ma be hwehwe school because of bidibinti madam for no so ba machi. Many people are relocating all the time. But mami akosa se wama. That is her choice. Why is it that if you are paying for it, why are you trying to say, I say, not taking responsibility of that mistake? Now, mami akosa se wano. These are people who just don't want to accept their mistake or defeat, which is very bad. It brings in a lot of griefs in the system, which is what we are experiencing. Mami akosia sewa continue to make the same mistakes. Mistake osan ye ne say because of your first mistake akosu bidibi esan say one kan kunu no ba afofra akɔhye ho. You can avoid that space. Untimi nso mfa wo mistake mfa mbechechere Daddy Luma nto ho. It never happens. Ghana Bema wetu every baby a one no ete wo so wundi nachi wabambe ware. You cannot tell him no. You don't own that man. Ono ane maame mpo owo no nya ne baby ko. This I don't know how people are reasoning with this. Say nka Daddy Luma ba Ghana no anasa nsesa nka Daddy Luma eba when a maame akosa se wase o ma no. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. These are people who feels they are entitled to everything, which is very wrong. Mami akosa sewa fooled people by making themselves a victim. And people who place a victim, they are very dangerous. They also rely on their vulnerability. They've pulled in other people in their weaknesses to make themselves always a victim. And that is a role mami akosa. But Ghana baya wabe disrespecting and the judicial system proves say maame no ni ope she's tintin or can someone or per se enipa diso. This is the reason why she disrespected the court ruling, telling her emro de asem no court say no nkote na yen recognize court should recognize her as a soul, the only survival wife of Daddy Luma, which is not true. Because when you did not follow your husband, another woman replaced you. And you cannot void that. say there be o enya sa ne ye no woni abusia panini e no ye ye ntimi mfa nobody never happens in Ghana say obi wu a yes till death do us apart. After death the family nipa krono belong to the family on obesie no e wo yen Ghana yen bibia mamrem mami akosa se wasa on de there be we free Ghana che ono no on the Germany de mami akosa se wa pese oba be sesa say ene ye hwe han say ene obroni ni ba Ghana say ene obibini no e machi di broni nanim ba Ghana be sesa ye niam bebre ene ye blemu other people politicians this was the cause of them. It took us themselves, people who think they are influenced, people who think they are loved, people who think they have the upper hand to make a decision, and we're pulling other people because only the vulnerability and the weakness and also the sensitive sides of Ghanaians. Esa yo hientino many people believe sa wari enkoten ena emma obi ye oba ye awari nebe mo oba konanim awari nebe mo oba daache bidibi ede niti atoso I to say the we be insurance bi sauti I say we omo liability or whatever. Listen, mami akosia say wa continue to make mistakes ene de odeneba were turning a ma against themselves, placing a child in a very, very vulnerable position by going to court again after disrespecting the court first ruling, going to the chiefs after the chiefs almost suggesting disrespected. You cause Lumba to have a funeral. Yet distracted, like people just interrupted everything, but yet Ebusiampain stood on his ground, which is how he's supposed to do. Ebusiampain yeni mama mre wo Ghana say Ebusiampain no ye no mami akosia say one contend you still la emma ene mebunu bi kasa. They are trying to explain things that falls within what Mami Akosia Sewa is suggesting. This is exactly how we forgo our traditions, and then we keep asking who did it. It took the old folks to influence the young ones to corrupt their mind to think say and then niamesheshe and then no sesa emrano mame a confuse emra bebre wo Ghana eni amamre bebre wo Ghana se wan hwe ya obejera eno na mami akosia abeyin. She continues to make a mistake by confusing the system. Okeka ebusiafo ekeka omutibom mami akosia se wanti ebusiafo ntematete eye mami akosia se wa. She has every opportunity to pull out and say okay, said ye suggest say ye nyina ye meye kuna no, let us do it for peace sake. Mami akosia se wa say ye good ni hufin ebusiampain ni akasetia no ti mami akosia se wa was not willing to bend down. This is what the mistakes we make, and then we become a fear grips us because it say past niyama mami akosia se wa bre. Yes, ye nyina ya bre obia nipa bebre ewo, but it's supposed to be a lesson. It's not supposed to be a curse where uma eba be ripple what your mistakes were. It has nothing to do with your children. By neno mami akosia se wa refuse to accept defeat. When you refuse to accept defeat, the fear of the unknown is set in the anxiety ahead of you. So what you say, and yama ofo say ye bag and bra ofo say udi gun krofoso my brewe. That the Lumba was an artist. That the Lumba was an orchestrator of music. That the Lumba was not a bomb. And then mami akosia se wentino. Ebusiafo nyina has rendered that the Lumba we useless man. Ebusiafo nyina has rendered that the Lumba someone who was not dependable. But enemre ya me no kase. Esan said that the Lumba and then etia school fees intino. Ne baketwa no school fees nanu ya yesi yen school no ye mechia ye no. This was a man who was not responsible. They had to give the child that the Lumba's death certificate. Inti eneno mami akosia sewa has her hand on the death certificate because they have to prove to the school no. Ewa German say ne papa wu enti no omo ma no kwan kakra Daddy Lumba was taking care of. That's why the children has Obama Shanemano. Nema will never have empathy. The Kroma phone caller. Many animal mama yanyone. Mami Akosasa is causing enough grief in our system. Enough is enough.
And Ramene obi share ukrum. Na ekomodi die mwana mhu se nipa kro ya team league. Ana obi sa me say. Me so me ya team die na se me ya team odobro ni. Na oyamanifo a menene mienu obi anim ne yonko ase. O che me ono wo ni 60s. Enti no che me. Eti komodi die mwana ana o me bisa ono no start say ye je achinye ti ono ayi team legal ensemba ana me so me yi team odobro ni ensemba nti ya se ye agiu kakra ye challenge ya de mo ya ne say bibi ba me chena mbisa ne say ne nyina so ankasa ode ye team legal no ene say ni nyina so a ode support Mami Akosua say wa na ene say o ma me hu no me bono na se mo timi kan ya ne say Akosua say wa ye jire na nipa no so minim ni ye o si so nyina manisem ana me bisa ne say o si so wa wareda on wareda minim sa wa wareda do wa wo bat wa wareda me hu kra so ne be ma atena dem be 1 year kra da one be ma kra atena dem da eti me bisa ne say wa wareda onim sa dia ware sitie na omusi so no so minim sa dia na omusitie kakra eti na ama manya ahoden bi di putu no ebisa ne nsem bi afa o gina ho ohede ye na wasi froko na otwifa so na okoye na metina ase no eno akire no nipa foforo be join ne yen e ma ono no gya hokwa because ensema na me bisa no na emu odu no ntimi ansa no ani so be free ho akọ no free hokoye eti onipa foforo be gina na ma ye gina so wagi we aka ma na nipa kro no de ono ote aware ase ono so etim liga na me lecture nipa na medru ba bi nipa ne so koye Emma munti ha. Samu bedi no kre pa. Enipa bebre e team legal just because omuti aware ase. Ana obi wo ho ane papa bo ne maami abro wo kwan bi so. Mete wase wo kwan bi so firi se me makomu bi. Asenka ye ka wo mu ananka wo so mu gina start legal for ni man ka me e ka me di ani mu kra nka nyehwe na so misumi onua mema minnimu akwan a me nua bema aware anti me nua bema ba kwa hwe ne nkwa because we anya oba papa aware anti me mabusua mu apapai e na mo ba me nua bema kofa ne nti aware anti me nua bema ba ko dayade kete so an oba ne ne mada bi o mo bro no ya frame me si me nua bema ne pe no de ne nko hye mu because me ni mistakes bi a me nua bema ne ye ebra no ne oba ne ti mu eti no me say me nkoka bi eti no sa wo ti ho na sa wo reasons a wo dey support u team legal la hunu se obi nsusu wo ni reasons a ono so dey support odobroni ana so obi wo ni reasons enti a ono so ne wo nya adwen e ho no hunu se mo nya atamfo yen nya atamfo enu ti na me mpese menam sa timodobroni so no makasa di edidi obi atemama aye ne ya na china bi because of obi asemunti ne yentema me papai e wo bra bi kura bedru ba bi no na wo no wateme mase aho me reasons no na bi kura no abeka me ho na ase bi bedru ba bi na mso mate wo wase na me so me reasons bi nti na mso mabeka ho na eno pa ho a enkade bi